Hello and welcome to this video on the best way to make money online with no experience. In this video, we will be discussing various ways you can make money online without any prior experience. So, if you are looking to make some extra cash or even start a new career, then keep watching. 1. Online surveys. One of the easiest ways to make money online is by filling out online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they are willing to pay for it. You can sign up for survey websites such as Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and TellUnit to start earning money today. Online surveys, companies conduct market research by getting feedback from consumers, and they often use online surveys to collect this feedback. You can sign up for survey websites and complete surveys to earn rewards such as cash, gift cards, or other prizes. 2. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, then freelancing could be a great option for you. Websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer your services to clients from all over the world. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a particular skill such as writing, graphic design, or web development. You can create a profile on freelancing platforms and start bidding on projects that match your skills. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can earn higher rates and build a successful freelance career. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You can promote products through social media, blog posts, or YouTube videos. Affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale are great places to start. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You can promote products through social media, blog posts, or YouTube videos, and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. Affiliate networks provide a wide range of products and services to promote, and you can choose the ones that align with your niche or audience. 4. Online teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, then you can offer your services as an online tutor. Sites such as Tutor.com and Chegg allow you to connect with students who need help with various subjects, such as math, science, and English. Online tutoring is a great way to earn money if you have expertise in a particular subject. You can connect with students who need help with various subjects and provide one-on-one tutoring through video calls. Tutoring websites provide a platform to connect with students and manage your tutoring sessions. 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is when you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. You work with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer. You can set up an online store using platforms such as Shopify and start selling products today. Dropshipping involves selling products online without holding any inventory. You can set up an online store using platforms such as Shopify and connect with suppliers who ship the products directly to the customers. Dropshipping requires some upfront investment to set up your online store and market your products, but it can be a profitable business model. 6. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as fitness or business, then you can offer your services as an online coach. You can connect with clients through websites such as Coach.me and offer personalized coaching sessions through video calls. Online coaching involves offering personalized coaching sessions through video calls. You can provide coaching services in various areas such as fitness, business, or personal development. Coaching websites provide a platform to connect with clients and manage your coaching sessions. There are many ways to make money online with no prior experience. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or start a new career, there's an option for you. So, take some time to consider your skills and interests and explore the many opportunities available to you online. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions for future videos. And if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.